Hello everyone, I am Vatsal. Welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to create system restore point in Windows 10. We create these restore points in our system so that we can recover our system in situations wherein we are not able to log in into our system due to some errors like blue screen of death or something else. These system restore points help us restore the system to the state when it was working fine or properly. So to create a system restore point, just open my computer or this PC. Now just right click over this white area and click on the option properties. Now in the left hand side, just click on this option or link system protection. Click on yes. Now just select the drive that has the Windows file. In my system, the C drive has the Windows 10 files. So just select it and just click on this button configure. Now just choose this option turn on system protection and just click on the apply button and click on the OK button. Now just click on this create button and just give a name to the restore point. Now just click on the create button. So you can see that it has started creating the system restore point and it will take some time. So the restore point is successfully created. Just click on this close button. Just close this window and now you are done. So this is how you can create system restore point in Windows 10 and protect your system. So do create system restore points in your system for easy recovery of your system in case you are having some trouble logging into your Windows 10 system. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.